Pause this video right now and open your bank statement. I'm serious. Public sector banks in India collected 2,889 crore rupees last year from one charge, customers not maintaining their minimum balance. Add another 1,200 crore rupees collected purely from SMS alert fees. That's real money taken from accounts exactly like yours, in tiny bites of 200 and 500 rupees at a time. Most people never notice it leaving. Let's break down where this 500 rupees a month actually comes from. First, the minimum balance penalty. Most savings accounts require you to maintain anywhere from 2000 to 10,000 rupees. If you dip below that even for a few days, banks charge anywhere from 200 to 1000 rupees for it. Second, SMS alerts. Most banks charge 10 to 25 rupees every quarter just to text you about your own transactions. Third, ATM charges. You get only 5 free withdrawals a month at your own bank and 3 to 5 at other banks. Go over that and you're paying 20 to 23 rupees every single time. Fourth, your debit card has an annual maintenance fee of 150 to 500 rupees whether you use it or not. Stack all four together, and 500 rupees a month is a realistic estimate for many account holders. It won't apply to everyone, but it's well within range for a lot of regular account holders. None of this is technically hidden. It's in a document called the Schedule of Charges, but it's written in fine print, buried in a PDF nobody opens. Banks know the charges are small enough to be embarrassing to check, but large enough that they add up over a year. Here's what to actually do. Step 1. Open your bank's app and search your last 3 months of statements for charge, penalty, or AMB. Step 2. Check your bank's minimum balance requirement. If you can't reliably maintain it, switch to a zero balance basic savings bank deposit account. Step 3. Turn off SMS alerts you don't need and rely on app notifications instead. Step 4. Track your free ATM limit and consolidate cash withdrawals if needed. Picture a young professional with two savings accounts quietly paying around 500 rupees a month combined. Over 3 years, without a single big mistake, that's close to 18,000 rupees gone. Not stolen, not illegal, just unnoticed. This is leak number 2 in our Money Leaks series. Right after inflation quietly eating your savings, it's your own bank doing the same thing in smaller bites. Go check your statement today, and if you found a charge you didn't know about, tell me what it was in the comments. Subscribe because leak number 3 is coming next, and it's hiding in something you swipe almost every single day.